How to Recover Deleted Photos on Google Photos 2025 Updated Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Mastery, your go-to channel for simple and reliable tech tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted photos on Google Photos, step by step, using the latest 2025 method. Let's begin. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. At the bottom, tap on the Library tab. Now tap on Trash or Bin. This is where all your deleted photos are temporarily stored. Remember, Google Photos keeps deleted photos for 60 days before they're permanently removed. Next, find the photo or video you want to restore. Tap and hold to select it. Then tap Restore at the bottom of the screen. Your photo will instantly reappear in your Photos library and also in the album where it was originally saved. If you don't see your deleted photo in the trash, it might be because it's already past the 60-day period, or it was deleted from the trash manually. But here's a bonus tip. If you had backup and sync turned on, you can also check your Google account on another device or log in from a computer at photos.google.com to see if your photo is still available there. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to recover deleted photos on Google Photos in just a few easy steps. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. Only on How to Mastery.